Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating practical pages right away. Open the workbook and press Shift plus F11 or click the plus to add a sheet. This gives you a fresh page to work on immediately. Once added, right-click the Sheet tab and choose Rename so you and others know the purpose. If you need the same layout elsewhere, hold Ctrl and drag the tab to duplicate, or use Move or Copy to copy a sheet into another workbook. Make sure to keep consistent naming for version control. Once you have pages, import or transfer data cleanly. Use Data Right Arrow Get Data Power Query to bring in tables from CSV, Excel, or Web. That preserves structure and makes refreshes easy. For manual transfers, copy ranges and use Paste Special to keep values or formats only so formulas don't break. Next, arrange columns and set page layout options, margins, orientation, and scaling so each worksheet prints as intended. This keeps presentation consistent across multiple pages. To finish, confirm each worksheet's print settings and save a version copy. Set the print area and check Print Preview to fix page breaks, then export or print the selected sheets. Save incremental file names so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, first check visibility and protection. Home right arrow format right arrow hide and unhide to unhide sheets and review workbook protection settings. If a sheet is missing after copying, open both files and use Move or Copy again to ensure no links or protections block the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.